Hey guys, and welcome back. So as you can see, I'm back here at Happy Wanderers. I enjoyed it so much that I decided to come back. So in today's video, what's different is I saw that a lot of you commented in the last video that I did here when I was camping that I didn't show the apartments. Well, in today's video, I'm actually staying in one of the apartments. So I think it's apartment 19, but we'll have a look when I get there. Let's see how busy it is today. There are quite a few people here already. Apartments. So, the last time I saw, there were people just parked behind it, but the entrance is in the front. So this will be, I'll park somewhere on the side, but I need to find out where apartment 19 is. Looks to be maybe a bit windy day today. If you can look at the trees. So let's go look for where that apartment is. Where's the key? Oh, here. Number 19. So let me just see where 19 could be. Remember this view of the beach? And it looks to be a bit quieter than the last time. So I found apartment 16. 19 should be somewhere around here. 17. I'm at 19. I can see that there is a nice fireplace here. Maybe I can make a fire here later tonight. There's even this table outside, and there's electricity points here. That's the door. And there's a table outside with some chairs and a mop and broom. So let me put on the lights that's in the apartment. I'll put it all on, then we can go for a tour. So not only did I put the lights on, but I also drew the curtains so we could get the best light here. So as we walk in, there's a nice dining table here. 2 single beds. I think this is a 4-sleeper. There's another bed in that room, but there's some nice artwork. Oh wait, I forgot to put this light on. Yeah, some nice artwork. I know people were asking me why I didn't show the apartments. Well, because I wasn't actually staying in the apartment. I was camping the last time, so I didn't have access, but now I am staying in the apartment, so I can show everything that is here. So there's a fridge. This is a fully furnished apartment or chalet. Fridge and freezer. I need to bring my stuff inside because I still left it in my car, the stuff that I'm going to cook tonight. And there's a 4-plate stove with an oven, and I think the bottom part is a warmer. Plus there is a microwave. And would you like to see what's in all of the cupboards? Let me just show you quickly. Okay, so it's a fully furnished apartment with like everything you'll need. Let me open all of them so I can show you one thing. I brought everything that I probably would have thought that I needed with me in my car, but it looks like most of the things that I would have needed is here already. Okay, let me do a wide shot. So let's start at the top. There's mugs over there and plates if I'll need, which I will need. There's a toaster down, kettle, and what is this? It's in inside. Yeah. Okay, this is like a bread tin. And next one, there's some bowls, jugs. On top, there's everything you probably need for cooking, including a stove. So this is a bit different video than what I'm normally known for or used to. Here there's everything that I would need, and here's some glasses, wine glasses, normal glasses, and then forks, spoons, can opener, everything you need. Okay, let me close up all these cupboards, then we'll do a tour of the other room and the bathroom. Just past the kitchen is the bathroom. Bathroom light works during load shedding. That's good news. But there haven't been load shedding for quite some time. Okay, so a toilet and a basin, and here is it's a tub with a shower as well. And there's towels. Cool. So I'm pretty much set here with concerns to the bathroom. Let's have a look at that second bedroom. So yeah, right in the front as you come in, 2 single beds, and then this looks to be like a queen bed. So 4 sleeper. I didn't put these lights on. I forgot to put the room lights on. But there is ceiling lights. I remember that. Nightstand. Should I open up all these cupboards? But I don't think there'll be much in here, because this will probably be your personal stuff, like your own clothes, which you'd bring. Some hangers there. A nice stool, and that bun looks nice. Here I'm guessing there's nothing here as well. Oh wait, there is something here. This is a embossed 1-ply. Let me try that. Embossed 1-ply mink blanket, A-grade factory quality. I thought it was an electric blanket, and here is another blanket. So I was expecting there to be nothing. That's the first cupboard. In the second cupboard, I was expecting nothing. Let me look at this bed. Oh, there's a duvet here, but I'm probably sure you need the blanket later tonight, because it might get a bit cold. It's not that warm today. So now what I need to do is offload all the stuff that I brought in my car. I wanted to show you all inside first before I start bringing stuff in here. So I got a 4-bedroom apartment here, and there's 3 beds. I can choose to use whichever one, but I'm thinking that I'm going to use the big one, the queen size, in the second bedroom. In the bedroom. This is a bedroom and kitchen. Just need to take some stuff out of my boot, cooking stuff. So I brought some stuff for tonight and tomorrow. Can I do this in one trip? I think so. Okay, I can carry this like that. Wait, let me do this. And then carry this. Yeah, one trip, I think. Thank God. It's on the grass. I got myself some firewood for later tonight. Can make a small like campfire. But you remember the last time that I came? They had that huge bonfire. Uh, Today it's also gonna happen. There's it right there. So we can have a look at that later as well. But I also want to make use of this fireplace here. Normally you could cook over here, but because because I never have the opportunity to actually use a stove and even an oven, I thought let me make use of this while I have it. For today, I got myself a cider. It's a new cider that I haven't tried before, but because it's a bit warm, I left it in the fridge to cool a bit. So for now, I'm just going to take a walk around Happy Wanderers. If you didn't see the first video, I'm just going to show you what other things there is to do around here. So I left my cider in the fridge to get a bit chilled. Let me close this door. Then we can have a look around Happy Wanderers. Lovely ocean view. One of the best I've seen. So there are other apartments here, upstairs apartments and so on. Today I'm here down on the ground floor. Let's take a walk this side. Here's a camping area, which I stayed in the first video that I did. I think I stayed somewhere around here. No, was it closer to where those tents are? But here is the camping area. There's a lot more campsites further down. Here's that communal braai area. I'd like to show you when they're lighting that fire. Hopefully I'm out here at that time. And there is a restaurant, if you didn't see in the first video. Later on there'll be a live band performing here. Hopefully I can show you all that as well as the bonfire that was here. This is the restaurant seating. Oh, here's that bonfire that later we'll see. Later on it does get a lot more livelier here. Here we go, look. Gotta place that ball straight away. There looks to be like a picnic area here. Let me have a look at that. I don't think I saw that the last time that I came. You could sit here, eat your stuff that you bought at the restaurant, I assume. And more pools down there. Yeah. So that's the restaurant, but there's a lot of camping sites from here. So I was camping the last time that I came here. This time I decided to try out one of the apartments, but I've been told that there's also cabins here. I just want to see if one of them is open so I can show you what that is like. I never come this side the last time that I stayed here, so I'm just having a browse around. Let me see if the last one is open. Maybe we're gonna have a look inside. It looks like the staff is cleaning over here. Let me ask them if we can take just a short walk. Yeah, I just want to show in the video this side. So this is one of the log cabins that's It's a lot more remote than all the other places. It's a lot further away, so like for privacy, it's a nice place. So it's got all the same stuff that stove, fridge. This seems to be the bedroom and bathroom area. So there's a full shower, a lot bigger than the one that I had. Toilet and basin. Let's put some cupboards there. Yeah, this shower is quite big compared to my one in the apartment. Is this a two bedroom? There's a bedroom in here. Oh yeah. So also another 4 sleeper with some cupboards. 2 single beds. And this has aircon. Yeah. This room here too is another queen bed, size bed. Wow, this place is quite nice. And it also has that view. Also has a nice view. I feel bad because I disturbed one of the workers that was cleaning here. Yeah, so that's the cabin. I never saw this the last time that I came. Okay, let me let her get back to her work. Thank you. I hope now that my cider is a bit chilled and I can taste that. So here we are. I finally get a chance to have a drink. Today I'm trying out Strongbow, which is a apple cider, and this is red berries flavor. Let me get a glass so I can show you. What color is this? It looks a bit like pinkish, but it's a bit darker than pink. Looks a bit like juice. If you can see. Let me have a taste. Oh, it's sweet. Sweet but tasty. What is this? 4.5%. The cider is. It's the first time I'm tasting this, but yeah, that's good. First time. And it's not bad. Today I'm trying out this Nando's Peri Peri Bag and Bake hot flavor. So I got some chicken that I'm going to marinate with the sauce inside. And because I have an oven here today, first time on the channel that I'm using an oven, I thought might as well make use of it instead of using the stove, because I normally use my gas stove. Might as well make use of the oven. I'd like to do the cooking now before it gets dark, because later on the live entertainment and stuff starts and I don't want to be busy with this at that time. So let's get to cooking. So this is the spices that I will marinate. I just bought a few pieces of chicken for me because I'm cooking for myself, and then stick it all in this bag. There's a nice bowl here that I can use to marinate it. So there's my chicken. I just have like 2 drumsticks and a chicken breast. Does it say that I need to leave it? Okay, let me read the instruction. Give it a gentle shake. Spread the spice. Okay, let me just sort of rub it in. It's good that this bowl was here. Yeah. Oven is on, and let me see what's next to do. Let's have a look at this bag. Place the bag lying flat on a baking tray. It said not place it flat. This will be for later. There'll be a big bonfire and my own little bonfire here. It should be about 30 minutes now. I put the oven off. This is a big spatula. So I got my rolls, but let me see what this chicken looks like before I even butter those rolls. Look, this bag is like crumbling. Did I do it wrong? It looks pretty good in this bag. Let me take it out of the bag and show you. This is what it looks like outside of the bag. Looks pretty good. It looks quite cooked to me. This time I actually brought some butter or margarine, but I actually bought it for a different purpose, but I'm using it now to butter my rolls because I didn't bring any sauce. I forgot about that. But it is a bit juicy. The chicken looks juicy. Why am I tearing these rolls apart when I have a knife? Let me cut a piece of this breast. No, this is good. This is definitely cooked. Wow. Tender. I thought maybe that the 30 minutes wasn't long enough when I took it out of the bag, but tasting it, that 30 minutes is a good cooking time because it is delicious. Let me just scrape up some sauce that's still on the chicken. Now, the bag says Nando's Bag and Bake. So does it taste like actual Nando's? The answer, no. I don't think you can make actual Nando's at home that'll taste the same as, Nando's. But this is good. I doubt anything I could make would taste like Nando's, the original that you buy. But this ain't bad. I don't know what to do next. Just relax a bit, or maybe start my bonfire, start my own personal bonfire, because I know that the resort has the bonfire later on. So tomorrow, for breakfast, I'm also planning on using the oven for something. I won't tell you now. You'll see later. In the video later. For me, tomorrow morning. And also while I'm here, I don't know if I should be telling you this, but I am attempting to cook something that I never cooked before. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna try. I don't know whether to tell you, but if I do it right, it'll be the video following this. So if you already haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. If you're watching on a TV, you can use the remote to go to my face and then click on it. What you subscribing means that you're enjoying the videos. It shows to YouTube that you're enjoying the videos and you'd like to watch more. And in turn, that'll send a message to YouTube that, this guy on this YouTube channel making these videos, maybe it's good. People are enjoying them. They're subscribing. And then it will recommend it to an even larger audience that haven't watched already. my right, the beach. To my left, my own small bonfire. I have to say, this is one of the most relaxing times that I've had, whilst also trying to record a video for YouTube. Wow, look at that sunset just behind the apartment that I'm staying in tonight. You know what, I think I should rather take a picture of that as well. Nice sunset. So it's starting to drizzle a little, and I'm not sure what that will mean for the bonfire later, but hopefully they still have it. So I was just walking towards the restaurant area to ask them what time the live entertainment was starting, and this game room, which I didn't see the last time, I didn't get to go inside, is open now. It's a little while for the band and all to start, but while I'm waiting for that, I thought I never really saw how the bed feels like. There should be a good night's sleep later tonight. And I got the blankets. Let me take them out now. Soft. I'll keep this one. If I need another, depending on how cold it gets later tonight, I can just use that. Now that it's gotten a bit darker, I need to put my glasses on, but I've been using contacts the whole day. That's how I've been able to see, but usually I use glasses. Then this mirror is nice. Now that it's got darker, I need my glasses. Yeah, it's still raining, and now it's a little bit more than just a drizzle.
Right, good evening everybody, welcome to the Resurrect. Aaron, my name is Anton Toasty from the Coasty, and I hope you're going to enjoy my tunes for the night. I hope you enjoy the evening with me. There's a bit of Dire Straits. This me now, I'm so far away. Alright, we can get off the tables now.
Gladly, the rain stopped and it looks like they're going to have the bonfire tonight. Oh, that caught out quite quick. Now this is a good bonfire. A lot bigger than the one I had before. Quite bright this fire is. Look at how much light it's putting out. I just saw some lightning further in the sea. So that was the entertainment. Now I'm back. Saw that? Lightning. So it looks like it's that time of the night. Going to go to bed and I'll see you all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everyone. See, the sun is already out. I guess that I had a better sleep than I usually do because the sun is already out now. I think it's about, yeah, it's after 7. Yeah, it really is bright outside. Another one of those beautiful sunrises, and the beach is like completely empty this morning. There's no one even fishing that I can see. Because I'm staying at the chalet today, I can show you stuff that I normally don't, like me brushing my teeth. So guys, for breakfast this morning, I've decided to still use the oven again. I'm trying out one of these Pyman's pies. I bought this 6-pack at Pick and Pay. So it says, let me read the instructions. Bake from frozen. Remove the frozen pie from the outer packaging. Timing is the guideline only due to preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, preheat 200 degrees Celsius. Let me just open this and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It is a creamy chicken flavor. It says you can cook straight from frozen. Okay, it says bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Let me put this in. I'm just making one for myself for breakfast. I know that a pie for breakfast is kind of weird, but it's just something that I thought of, and I'm making good use of the oven today. How does that look? Should be done now. So this is the pie that I attempted to make this morning. Let me set it down in the light and you can have a look at it. How is that? Not bad, huh? Turns out reading the instructions does make a lot of sense, but I never tasted it as yet. Let me have a taste. It is warm. I can feel it's warm inside. It's still hot from the oven, but it tastes good. Let me taste a bit of the filling. Yeah, that's great. Actually came out quite well. Even the under is cooked. Have a look at that. Yeah, that's really good. Maybe I should turn to the side and enjoy the sunrise while I eat. So guys, that's my stay at Happy Wanderers done. I had a very good night's sleep. I enjoyed staying here a lot because I have that bed. But normally I sleep on the air bed, which isn't as comfortable as that. But look at this view. This is like one of the best views that I ever saw. And I need to take a picture for a thumbnail. Let me try and do that now. Yeah, this bed right here made my stay very comfortable. Although, if I can remember well, the only other time that I stayed in a place that had a bed was when I went to Africamps. I tried glamping for one time. Yeah, that was the only other time that I had a bed on the channel. This is the second time, but this was the first time that I ever used an oven. Normally I cook outside on the gas or on fire or something. This time I made good use of the oven. I made supper and breakfast today. So that was my stay here. I really enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a like and you can consider subscribing as well. I'll see you all in the next video, which will be the next one that you play after this. Now all I have to do is drive back home and look at this. It just started raining as I'm leaving. It just shows that the holiday is over now.